Hey, kindergartners, we're going to do Mission 3, Lesson 16. Our objective is I can make an informal comparison of area. So I'm going to start with this square over here. What are some things that would fit in that square? Maybe you could draw stars, you could draw circles, maybe squares. If it were objects, you might could use counters like these, or Legos like these. There's all kinds of things that could fit inside of that square. So let's try out that circle. Let's see if it fits inside the square. We have at least one circle in the square. How many circles do you think can fit in the square? Pause the video and discuss that with someone at your home. All right, we have 1, 2, 3. We can't fit another one on that row. Let's see if it can go on the next one. 4, 5, 6. So the estimated area of our square is 6 circles. If your teacher provided you with a sheet that looks like this to record notes in, then right there where it says my square covered with a circle, you'll want to draw this picture that we made with the red squares. I'll model this one for you. Keep in mind I'm on the computer, so mine's not going to look as good as yours, but you want your picture to be as close to this picture over here as you can get it. So I'm gonna go for it. So 1, 2, 3, and how many circles how much area did we say it is in circles? Not 3, but 6. So we need to draw 3 more circles. 1, 2, 3. So let's look here. The area of this square covered with circles is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll use this sheet throughout our lesson today. If you don't have this sheet, get your parent to get you a piece of notebook paper, and you can utilize that. Just draw a big square and you can model in there. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. All right, look at my square now. Do you think 5 of these red squares will fit into my square? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 so far. 5. So 5 of them fit. Do you think we have space for just one more? Let's test it out. Oh, there's 6. Now that I have 6, how many do you think it's going to take to fill the entire square? What do you think the area of this square is using squares? Pause the video and discuss that with someone at your home. All right, so here we are at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are at 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the area of this square using our square tiles is how many? It's 12. Very good. Go ahead and draw in your 12 squares on your recording sheet. So down here, you want to cover this square with 12 squares. Remember, if you do not have this sheet, you can have your parent or someone at your home draw you a square so that you can fill it in. Pause the video to make sure you fill in your recording sheet to look like our model with 12 squares. Now look at my bean here. I want to see the area of this square in beans. So we're going to start with 5. Do you think 5 will fit? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had at least 5 fit. I bet we probably could have fit more if we had real beans and not computer beans. All right, so we have 5 that fit. Do you think I have enough for one more? Of course we do. So judging from this picture, how many more beans do you think I would use to fill my space? Go ahead and pause the video and discuss that with your parent or someone at your home. So here we have 6 beans. Let's keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Man, there's a lot of these. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow. This square has an area of roughly 20 beans. So what did you notice about using the beans? So let's go back. Here we had 6 circles. Then we had 12 squares. And then 20 beans. So what did you notice about using the beans? Pause the video and have that discussion with someone at your home. You're right. It took so many more beans. And why do you think that? Oh, because the beans are smaller. Of course. So did you use more beans or squares in the activity above? We had 12 squares and 20 beans, so we used more beans. Go ahead and record that on your recording sheet or on your notebook paper that you've been using. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.